Right, I just drove 20 hours from Denver to all the way to this beautiful place called Monterey in California for this one moment. This is Rush. I've rescued him from the shelter when he was about 9 weeks old, and I had to give him up to my ex when he was 4 months old, maybe 5? Yeah, 5. So just a few months back. Let's see if he still remembers me. Rush.
Oh, Reggie, who's there? Oh my! Oh, God! He's so
Very big. Wow.
Pick him up.
Yeah.
Pick him up. Oh, right.
Oh, wow, he's heavy.
He's so excited. What do you got in your mouth, Rush?
Oh. Oh.
He's like, put the camera down and hold me. Pet me.
After about 20 hours of driving, we are finally here. Just gone past Monterey. I do need to shave a little bit, but anyway, it's a long drive. More than 20 hours of driving from Denver in the electric vehicle that I have right behind me, in my Tesla. I would say I've done the road trip in my Tesla several times. It's doable, but say your map says it'll take about 5 hours or 10 hours, you should at least add another 2 hours because of charging. Now, if you don't mind that, I would say the road trips in Tesla or any electric vehicles, I would say it's more than doable. Anyway, off to the next destination. Second location, this is Pismo Beach, and it smells like a lot of pelican shits, I'll tell you that much. We have loads of pelicans over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Zoom in a little bit. Loads of pelicans. Lots on that rock, big rock over there. Some down there. Yeah, loads of pelicans. One thing you should know about the pelicans is they are mean creatures. They'll literally eat anything. Seen videos of pigeons getting eaten alive, or them seagulls. If they're hungry, they will eat. Doesn't matter what it is. Some beautiful houses here. I think averaging about 2 mil to 3 mil. And loads of pelicans. Lots of palm trees. It is very California-esque. It's really cool, really cool. But I think one thing that truly impresses me, or that I find really fascinating, is how quickly it gets really foggy on that side, and the amount of pelicans that's just sleeping on the cliff. Wow, so many birds. Even the dog poop's beautiful. Lots of seagulls looking for food. Hey buddy. Look at that. Wow. Wonder if they're hostile. Oop. Don't get pegged. Wow, look over here. That is stunning. Right, off to third. Here we go. Morro Bay, baby! What you're about to witness right now, I've never ever seen in my life before. I'm pretty sure you haven't. But it's about to get, oh. That's not what I was trying to film, but that's exciting as well. But again, back to the point. Yeah, what you're about to witness is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cutest creature on the planet Earth. And you're about to see it in 3, 2, 1. Look at that, there's a baby one. There's a baby. Yeah, it's a little baby, yeah. Wow. This might be the coolest thing I've seen all my life. Okay, so apparently the baby sea otters cannot swim. So the mother one will wrap the baby with seaweed so it doesn't sink. So it just float about as the mom's hunting for food. Wild. So this is Morro Bay. It's really famous and known for the giant rock that is, I swear it's there. You just can't see it right now. hopefully the fog will go away and you'll get to see it. Between 1760 and 1900, million sea otters were killed for their coats. How can you kill them for coats when they look like this? It actually makes it a lot more cinematic, if you think about it. Doesn't it? But how cute was a sea otter? I mean, honestly, I've never seen it in my life, but to see like 8, 10 of them all at the same time and just swimming about and just floating with their seashells and clams and stuff, so cute. So you can finally see it, but that giant rock right behind me is forming almost like an island that I'm stepping on. It's almost like a Catalina Island down by SoCal, but it is actually a lot larger than what it seems like. It's very difficult for me to capture it, only one angle, so what I might do is to fly the drone. Well, that is Morro Bay for you. That is destination number 3.